Since the early 2000s, we have seen an increasing number of unauthorized and/or unidentified aircraft or objects in military-controlled training areas and training ranges and other designated airspace. Reports of sightings are frequent and continuing.
It's not about finding alien spacecraft, but about delivering dominant intelligence across the tactical, operational, and strategic spectrum.
The Pentagon said the number of reported UFOs increased in the last year from about 140 to 400. One reason is an effort to encourage more pilots and military personnel to share their stories.
And now, your Storm Center 7 forecast with Chief Meteorologist McCall Vrydaghs.
Today turned out to be a gorgeous day across the Miami Valley. Once again, temperatures were close to average. We were into the 70s. But as we turn the corner and head into the day tomorrow, I am tracking some rain and thunderstorms to move back in. This will all be followed up by some hot temperatures by the end of the week. All right, let's take a look at our radar. Right now, all is quiet locally in the Miami Valley, but as you head a couple of states away, you can see in western parts of Illinois, we do have some thunderstorms that are starting to move in. That is going to bring in the potential for some strong to severe thunderstorms as we head toward later on Wednesday into the early afternoon and evening hours. Then those storms are going to move on by and we'll see quieter conditions returning by Wednesday night. All right, for the day tomorrow, we'll wake up, we're dry, temps in the morning sitting in the 50s, so it's coolish, it's comfortable, and we're dry to start. But quickly, as we head through the morning, we are going to see some rain showers moving in. So the bus stop forecast shows that we're dry to start, but by the time the kids come home later tomorrow afternoon, we are going to be dealing with some rain and storms around. Even though it's going to be a soggy end to the day, I do see temps still climbing into the 70s. All right, we take a look at futurecasts, and I'll show you hour by hour how tomorrow is going to play out. As I told you, we're going to be quiet as we get into the first part of your Wednesday. I'll take you there early Wednesday morning. We have some clouds overhead, a couple of sprinkles off to our west. Moving into the afternoon hours, this is when I really see the chance for showers and storms to increase. There's a low pressure that's going to track right through the area, and you can almost see that counterclockwise flow around that low as it passes in. There's 11:30 tomorrow morning. Take it at 2 p.m. Steady, widespread showers throughout our viewing area with some heavy downpours. Focusing in on here, this cluster of storms, Cincinnati into northern Kentucky, that's where I see the greatest risk for severe weather to play out tomorrow. It is very close to the southern part of our viewing area, so a 20-mile to 50-mile shift north, and we could see an increased risk for severe weather for us. If this obviously shifts further south, then we're just dealing with primarily rain, which I anticipate most of us will have. Then as we get into tomorrow evening, that's going to pull away, and we'll see quieter weather moving back in for Wednesday night. Now Thursday, most of us will be just fine. Here's 7 a.m. on Thursday. We get into Thursday afternoon, still plenty of sunshine. We get past dinner time, and then there's going to be another cluster of storms. It's going to kind of run that same path that those stronger storms will tomorrow, but this will be on Thursday evening. Thunderstorms come through Cincinnati, southern parts of the Miami Valley, northern Kentucky, and then that cluster pulls away and will be dry once again. Stay dry through the day Friday, and then Saturday is when a stronger front will come in, and that front Saturday is going to bring us the best opportunity for some widespread showers and thunderstorms. Now, as far as tomorrow is concerned, any storms that get going could bring us some strong wind gusts and heavy rain. That could increase our threat for localized flooding. An isolated damaging wind gust would be the main concern. Then as you get down to Cincinnati and Kentucky, that's where that hail and tornado risk will be a little bit more elevated. Once these storms move by tomorrow, temperatures climb dramatically, and by Friday, we're hitting 90 degrees. The record high on Friday is 91, so we're coming close to tying, maybe even breaking Friday. That's why that cold front that comes in on Saturday brings us a better chance for stronger thunderstorms, but cooler weather will follow. So here's that 7-day forecast. Rain and a few thunderstorms around for the day tomorrow. We're dry Thursday. Friday's windy and hot, 90 degrees. Storm Saturday, and then cooler as we head into the early part of next week.
Thank you, McCall. This is a sound so many of us remember from last summer.